Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to Stelly Grills and Chills, and today we're doing a rotisserie chicken. So the first thing we're gonna do is inject it with some Creole butter seasoning because we want all that good flavor all throughout that chicken. So we gonna get it in the breasts, the thighs, the legs, all throughout. And don't forget to give me that LSS while you hurry out. And you know what that is, right? That like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. Now, once we get done shooting it up with that good seasoning, we're going to hit it with a little bit of salt, pepper, and garlic on top. And then we're going to come back with that Kuzan chicken seasoning. Once we get it seasoned up, we're going to go ahead and get it on our rotisserie. Now I'm using this old school rotisserie, y'all. You remember that Showtime rotisserie? Used to have them infomercials. Yeah, that's what I'm using. I know they got some better rotisseries out there now, but as long as this one's working, I don't think I'm gonna change until it break out. It is what it is. But once we get it all the way on that rotisserie, making sure we go through them chicken legs, we're gonna go ahead and flip it over and hit it with that Kuzan seasoning on that other side, y'all. Oh yeah, this gonna be good, y'all. This gonna be good. And once we get it all seasoned up, we gonna get it straight into that rotisserie. Get that rotisserie turned on. And check it out, y'all. This is what we working with. This usually take about 45 minutes, I'd say. Sometimes a little bit shorter time, but you know how it is. Depending on how much meat and how thick the bird is. But while that's doing its thing, we're going to cook some potatoes up under it, letting those juices from that chicken run all through them potatoes, just so they can be extra special, y'all. So we gonna get that all sealed up and let it do its thing. Now after about 30 to 40 minutes, I checked it with my temperature probe and we ready, y'all. So we gonna get that chicken out that rotisserie. And in a pan, we're gonna go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of butter. Then we're gonna get those potatoes in, juice and everything in. And we're just gonna let these cook until all that extra moisture has evaporated. And then they done, y'all, because they already been cooking, y'all. They already been cooking. But anyway, let's go ahead and turn our attention back to our chicken. So let's go ahead and free this bird right on up. Now once we get that bird free, get that string and everything off, we're gonna go ahead and cut them up, carve them up, y'all. Now mine came already tied up, but if you don't know how to tie a chicken, hit me up in the comments, I will show you. Now, let's go ahead and get our plate together, starting off with me some potatoes. Some peas. And of course, that beautiful chicken. Oh my goodness, look at that right there, y'all. Just dripping juice, y'all. Just dripping juice. But anyway, let me get a bite, y'all. Let me get a bite. And let me tell you, y'all, this chicken was so buttery, so juicy, so tender. I'm definitely gonna be pulling this machine out more often. Got to, y'all. So good. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.